So when it's time to export your film, what you need to do is go down over to the Deliver workspace. And then from there, I would scroll on over to the H.264 tab here. You can also try out using any of these built-in presets. This one, the Vimeo one, is quite simple, and you can use that if you want to. But I'm going to show you what I do for mine, which is using H.264. So I'm going to just retitle this April Keepsake Film. And then you decide on where you want it to go. Render, single clip, video, tab. Format, QuickTime is fine. Codec, H.264, good. This is going to match the resolution, or it should match the resolution of your clips and your frame rate. Quality, I'm going to set to automatic. You can choose to restrict it, and based on, if you want it to be really big or not too big, or you can change things. I'm just going to leave that on automatic for now. I think it's probably fine. Encoding profile, I'm choosing high. Passes, I'm going to choose multiple. Keyframes, leave all that. And then under audio, I'm going to choose variable bitrate, quality best, bit depth is fine, and that's it. Let's see if there's anything under file. It's the wheel of death. Okay. Okay, so it tells you what disk space is currently being used and disk space of a render. You can add in some other things about your file if you want to there. Okay, so once you have sorted all of that and put it all in, then you choose Add to Render Queue. And then all this does is it creates a job for the render, all right? It's not actually gonna export it yet. So it's kind of cool in that way, because in Premiere Pro, as soon as you hit export, you can't then do anything else. But with this, if say you wanted to export multiple versions, like a version for your clients and a version for Instagram, then you could have the two different versions being exported, and you add them both to the job, and then you hit start render, and it's going to export both of them at the same time, which is kind of cool, because then you can just walk away, go make a cup of tea, and you're done. So, but that's it. So then you just hit start render, and that's going to render the job and export it into the location where you set it. And that's it for this one. I hope that was helpful. Can't wait to see what you're creating. Chat soon.